Start.
Welcome. Today we will discuss about the topic unit and dimension. Before going to this unit and dimension, we will know about the quantity. What is quantity? So let me discuss about quantity. What it is? Physical quantity. Physical quantity means what? The quantity which is measurable and the law of physics which is expression through by this quantity. तो क्वांटिटी का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ क्वांटिटी? द क्वांटिटी which is measurable and the law of physics is expressed through it is called physical quantity. Example: the quantity which is measurable 5 kg sugar. Here quantity is sugar is measurable by 5 kg. Take another example: this 10 km distance. It is the another example of a physical quantity. In the example, you can write 5 kg sugar, 10 km distance. This physical quantity also classified into two types. One is fundamental quantity, another is derived quantity. Fundamental quantity which is not dependent, and the derived quantity which is dependent on fundamental quantity. It cannot be expressed but without the help of the fundamental quantity. So the physical quantity is divided into two types. One is fundamental quantity and second is derived quantity. Here, first we will discuss about fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantity which is independent and it cannot depend it cannot be depend to express any other quantity. So if you write this definition of fundamental quantity, the quantity which is independent it cannot depend upon any other quantity to express. Let us consider our example. Example of fundamental quantity is length, mass and time. These are the fundamental quantity. And the derived quantity which is expression by the help of the fundamental quantity is called derived quantity. That very clearly you can say a fundamental quantity cannot be expressed without the help of fundamental quantity. Derived quantity cannot be expressed without the help of fundamental quantity. तो फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी का डेफिनेशन, derived क्वांटिटी का डेफिनेशन the quantity which is depend upon on the fundamental quantity is called derived quantity. In example, we can consider about area. Area is equal to length into breadth. L into L is equal to S square. It is the example of derived quantity. Another example of the derived quantity is velocity. Distance by time, L by T. It is the two example of derived quantity. After discussion, after knowing about quantity, then we will discuss about the unity. What is unity? Unity, which is used to measure the quantity, is the called unity. Unity, quantity explain to measure the quantity, unity is required. The definition of the unity is it is used to measure physical quantities. And like physical quantity, unity is also divided into two types. One is fundamental unity, another is derived unity. So, in second point, unity is divided into two types. A fundamental unity, another is derived unity. What is fundamental unity? The unity which is required to measure a fundamental quantity is called fundamental unity. So the definition of fundamental unity is unity is required to measure a fundamental quantity. For an example, to measure the length, we use meter or kilometer. To measure the mass, we use gram or kilogram. So here mass, so here meter and the gram, or kilometer and the kilogram are the fundamental unity, because it can measure the fundamental quantity, and the derived unit is unity which is required to measure a derived quantity is called derived unity. I'll say an example. When our area is equal to length into breadth. Length can be measured by meter or meter. Breadth is also measured by meter. So meter square or square meter is one of the examples of a derived unity. So we are discussing about unity and fundamental unity and derived unity. So now we will going to discuss about system of a unity. Next point is system of unity. System of unity means a set of unity in which both fundamental unity and derived unity are included in. So the system of unity means the set of unity. That means fundamental unity and derived unity. Is called system of unity. This system of unity is also classified into three types. Second point, the system of unity is classified into three types. One is MKS, second is CGS, third is FPS system. So now we will discuss about these three types of unity.